Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 9.1 question number 10. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Let us find the rational numbers in ascending order. Number 1 is minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5. Here if we draw a number line, this is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2 and this is minus 3. Right? Here all the denominators are same 5, 5, 5. Now you see here the number on the right side is always greater than the number on the left side in a number line. The minus 1 is right side of minus 2. That is minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Right? And minus 2 is on the right side of minus 3. Therefore minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Right? Therefore you can write minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 is less than minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. And minus 2 by 5 is less than minus 1 by 5, right? Less than minus 1 by 5, right? So minus 3 by 5. Why? Because minus 3 on the right side, therefore on the left side, and this goes on increasing order. This is the increasing order. That is minus 2 is greater than minus 3, minus 1 is greater than minus 2, 0 is greater than minus 1, like this, right? Then we can say that minus 3 by 5 is less than minus 2 by 5, and minus 2 by 5 is less than minus 1 by 5, right? Now we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is question number 2. That is number 2 is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 9, minus 2 by 9, minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3. Here you see all the denominators are different. That means you have to make the denominators same, right? That means you have to find the LCM of these three numbers, right? Right, find the LCM of those three numbers, LCM. That means we are getting 3, 9, 3. We divide by 3, we are getting 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, now 3 and 3, 3 threes are 9, and 3 1 is 3, right? That means LCM is 3 into 3, that is 9. 9 is the LCM, right? Now minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Now if you divide the 9 by 3, we are getting 3. That means you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. That is 3 into 3, 3 into 3, and it is minus 1 into 3, right? Then you are getting minus 3 by 9, minus 3 by 9. And this one is minus 2 by 9, minus 2 by 9. Here in this case, you have to divide 9 by 9, that is 1. That means you have to multiply 9 into 1 and minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 1. That is you are getting minus 2 by 9, minus 2 by 9. In the third case, minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3. If we divide by 3, we are getting 9 by 3, we are getting 3. That means you multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. That is 3 into 3 is equal to minus 4 into 3, minus 4 into 3. Minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12. And 3 3 is a 9. Now here you see all the denominator is same. Now in a number line, if we compare a number line, this is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, like this, right? Here you see minus 2 and minus 3. If you compare this one, here you see the minus 2 is on the right side of minus 3. Therefore, minus 2 is greater than minus 3, right? Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. In the same way, minus 12 is on the left of all these numbers, right? So, minus 12 by 9 is the least rational number. Or you can say that minus 12 by 9, 12 by 9 is less than minus 3 by 9. And minus 3 by 9 is less than minus 2 by 9. Less than minus 2 by 9. Right? Therefore, we can say that minus 19 by 12 means minus 4 by 3. That is minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 is less than minus 3 by 9 means this number 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 9. Minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. And minus 1 by 3 is less than minus 2 by 9 means minus 2 by 9. Minus 2 by 9. Right? Therefore, minus 4 by 3, that is this one, is less than minus 3 by 9, that is minus 1 by 3, and minus 1 by 3 is less than minus 2 by 9. Right? Now we'll solve question number 3. Now question number 3, here you find, here you see is, question number 3 is this one, that is this one, that is minus, that is minus 3 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4. First of all, you see the denominators are different. Therefore, you have to find the LCM of these three denominators. Let us find the LCM. LCM is 7 to 4, 7, 2, 4. If we divide by 2, we are getting 7, 2 1 is 2, and 2 2 is 4. Right? Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 2. 2 into 7 into 2. That is 2 to the 4 for 7 is 28. LCM is 28. Now here is minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7. If we divide 28 by 7, we are getting 4 7 is 4. That means you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with 4. There is 7 into 4. 7 into 4. And this one is minus 3 into 4. Minus 3 into 4. That is minus 12. And 4 7 is 28. Next one is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. If we divide 28 by 2, you are getting 14. That means you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with 14. That is 2 into 14. 2 into 14. And this is minus 3 into 14. 14 to the 28. 28. And if we multiply 14 with 3, we are getting 14 with 3. That is 3 4 is 12, carry 1, it is 0. 3 is 3 plus 1, 4, 42. That is minus 42 by 28. Minus 42 by 28. And the next one is minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Now, if we divide 28 by 4, you will get 7. 4 7 is 28. That means you have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 7. That is 4 into 7. 4 into 7. And it is equal to minus 3 into 7. Minus 3 into 7. That is minus 3 into 7 is minus 21. And that is 4 7 is 28. Now, if we compare all the numbers, here you see, if we compare, here you see that the least number is minus 42. Minus 42 by 28 is the same, but 28 but minus 42 is less than minus 21 by 28, and minus 21 by 8 is less than minus 12 by 28. Minus 12 by 28. Why? Because all the denominators are same, and here you see that minus 42 is on the left side of these numbers, and minus 21 is on the left of this one, right? That means less. Or minus 12 is on the right of minus 21, that is this is greater, right? Therefore you can say that. Therefore you can say that minus 42 by 28 means this number. Minus 42 by 20 minus 3 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is less than minus 21 by 28, that means this number is minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. And minus 3 by 4 is less than minus 12 by 28, that is minus 3 by 7, that is minus 3 by 7, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.